Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to replace an image in a PDF file using PDF element. Now I will replace this image. First open your PDF file and select home option. Now click this edit all option and select an image. Now click on this image you want to replace and select right button. Here you will find this replace image, click here and open your folder you want to replace this one and open and see this our image now replaces. Yeah, in this way you can replace other images as same way. Yeah, finally select this file option, save or save as a PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.